Welcome, YouTubers! Anyway, I want to introduce you today. Onyx is the name that I gave him. Onyx. That's like a black gem or gemstone, you know what I mean? So anyway, we're on our way to Tagaytay. Gonna take you out today. First, we're looking for some nuts. I'm looking for some pistachios, but I can't seem to find any. And then we're gonna go get that, and then we're gonna go to a People's Park. I'm gonna show you the I believe it's the highest point in Tagaytay. That's what we're gonna show you. So we're gonna see what that is. I think it's been a while since the last time I took you guys there. For those of you that have subscribed to my channel since the beginning, it's been a while. I took a road trip out there before many years back, and we're gonna do it again today to check out the curvy werbies, because this car, of course, as you know, has been modified for handling, and it handles like a sports car now, not like a family car or a compact car, but a sports car. So that's what we're gonna do today. Oh, there's a that's a nice looking pond right there. Yeah, so first we're gonna go find some pistachios. Once we're done doing that, then we're gonna go to People's Park. I'm gonna go check that place out, see what's going on right now, you know what I'm saying? And looks like we're coming up on a nice little hill here. Whoa, very nice. So that's what we're gonna do today, okay? So I'll get back with you guys shortly. Like, oh, these people just jump in the middle of the road. Good for me, because I'm just gonna pass them. Look at this guy. He just... That's the Philippines for you. They're just in my way, you know? So that's what we're gonna do today, guys. Okay.
Is it so hard to let you go? Let you go.
Oh, I went the wrong way there, but anyway. This is, oh man, it's foggy today. I don't think you guys are gonna get a good view of this, but I should have came in a different day. Yeah. Oh, what happened here? Pay parking fee here. Hi.
Hi, sir.
How much is the parking fee?
50 pesos, sir.
Is she okay? Really?
Okay.
Looks like
okay, sir.
looks like a Sleeping Beauty.
Yeah.
Sleeping Beauty pa?
Sir, beautiful or what?
Let's see. Hindi, parang 5.
5?
Diba? From 1 out of 10, 5?
50-50.
Hindi, 5 lang.
5?
Sorry, ate.
5 over 10.
Oh. 5. No. Ganda siya talaga. Magkano? 50?
50.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Saan pwede ko dadaan papuntang yung Castilla? Diba may Castilla doon sa malapit?
Because
I was asking them how do I get to the castle in Batangas? And they told me where it's located. It's in Tanawan, Batangas.
Yeah. Kasi? Tanawan, sir.
Tanawan?
Yeah.
Paano?
Ligayan Drive.
Ligayan, right?
Pangalawang 7-Eleven, sir.
Pangalawan in kaliwa ko dyan.
Kaliwa.
Okay, sige.
Okay.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, guys, that was interesting. So, at least when you pay your parking, oh shit, I'm just gonna park here, screw it, and then walk upstairs. Maybe, I don't know, they got it set up where, oh, I don't think you can go up there anymore. We'll find out. Oh my God, no way, really? Okay. Damn. So guys, looks like we're gonna have to, that's a long walk, guys. Damn, really long walk. So we're gonna have to walk up that way, kind of a long walk, but that's okay. And check it out. Oh my God, we got thunder and lightning over there. Anyway, we're gonna go for a walk now, okay, guys? Fortunately, I have an umbrella, so we're gonna go walk up here and check this place out. This is like a flashback from last year. Remember I had the video vlogging in the rain, now I'm vlogging in the rain again. Second time, same car. The car's got a different attitude now, right? So, that is that. My God, I've never seen so many people. And it's just a weekday, you know? Just a weekday. I'm definitely not gonna eat anything here because of the amount. It's very expensive. Holy smokes. So the things that have changed since the last time I was here was that building right there. You see it? That wasn't there before. So they got a lot of new things going on. One thing I did that I'm kind of regretting is the sticker on my car is really putting a lot of attention on my car. Oh my God, I had no idea it was going to be that bad. So it was pretty bad. It's good and it's bad. I don't know. But y'all really want to get a workout, this is the place to do it. You park your car down the road and then you walk up a 45 degree, seems like a 45 degree incline is what it is. I don't know if we're gonna eat here, but we'll see. My goodness, look at this. Yeah. Check this place out. Don't come here. Guys, don't come here if you're old and out of shape. You're gonna die. I'm telling you right now. Magkano yung 50? Ilan po? Isa. Thank God I got bills with me. Yeah. Malapit na ulan, sir. There you go. Kala ko sa parking kasama. Kala ko kasama parking. Hindi ako swerte. Thank you. So I just told the guy I'm not lucky today. I'm sorry guys that we don't have a nice day today like before. Ooh. I'm sad that we don't have a nice day like we did before, but you know. Y'all want to hear something funny? The line going up here is now thinning out. I think everybody took the bus or something like that. They're you see that? Oh my god. I had no idea I parked this far out, you know? So you remember we're about health and conditioning on this channel as well, so because I'm sponsored by FNX Fitness, and it really has done me a favor, so kept me in shape for sure. So yep, big time workout, huh? Yeah, the funny thing about foreigners, guys, if we see a foreigner, we always respond in English, don't we? It's always like that. So, damn, what a walk, man. Shit. So, anyhow, my God, I don't know. I cannot even imagine, guys, how many people looked at my car and typed it in their phone to check out the channel. It's just a small channel, you know? Just a tiny little channel compared to the rest of them. Jesus. Anyway, here's what it looks like. It's beautiful, right? Let's get some B-roll now. B-roll. B-roll, guys. Okay, that was a B-roll. You know what I mean? It's opposite from A-roll. Not quite C-roll, but it's B-roll. You know what I mean? So, boom! Oh, did you hear that? Well, I'm holding the plastic on the umbrella in case I get hit. I think I'm going to pull the umbrella down. Yeah, hold on. Hold on a minute, guys. Okay, I think I'm safe now. But since the last time I was here, they've really cleaned house. Look at this. It used to be covered with a lot of weeds, really tall weeds. Yup. Last time I filmed this, I had an S64 Pentax camera, and now I'm going GoPro, so it's a far cry from before. Yeah. So if y'all really want a real workout, this is the place to do it, for sure. You can do lots of photo opportunities around here. Oh my God, I'm like, I'm semi regretting putting that sticker on my car. Because there's this thing called expectations, and everybody has, believe it or not, high expectations for a YouTuber, right? And that's about 3 kilometers away. So anyway, they think that any YouTuber is like a rich or something, which is not true. You know what I mean? There are a lot of small channels that don't even make any money at all, like mine. But I still keep doing it because I enjoy it. I mean, what would you all do? There's people posting on Quora, oh, I'm lonely and alone, I don't got anybody, right? But I don't got that problem, because I like being alone. And YouTube is my best friend. Allows me to express myself at a stigma. So, anyway. Hello.
Magkano kayo?
Hello. Sorry na. So anyway, what is it? 5 peso? Oh. Hey guys, I forgot to tell you. We live in a real religious country, and part of that is this kind of stuff. So, bless the Lord, okay? Or bless the Lord for safety and good health. So, anyway, that's where all the people are going. That used to be, let me tell you a backstory to this place. Okay, guys? Can you all see me? Anyway, let me tell you. Okay. Let me tell you guys a backstory about this place, okay? I don't know when, I think back in the 70s, the former president, Fidel Castro, former President Marcos and his wife Imelda wanted the biggest, nicest, most posh property, right, that they could get in the Philippines. But the wife Imelda wanted the tallest, they wanted it in the highest area of this area, okay? This isn't the highest part of the Philippines, but it's the highest part of Tagaytay area, okay? And so they chose this area here. But the problem was, this property was later down in the years, okay? This is allegedly now. Later down in the year, supposedly the property was purchased by ill-gotten funds, okay? And so after they were removed from the presidency, the property was also seized. All of the property that was purchased by them illegally was seized, and so that's what happened. And if you look over there, in that area there, that was their main house, and this is supposed to be kitchen area and some other utility area about the size of a mansion. I don't know what they're gonna what utility they're gonna do there. So now it's raining. So anyway, that's the story with that. And so the place was seized by the next administration, and that's what happened. Okay, and now you have this place. Now it's been open to the public, and for the public to see what it was like. Oh, thank God I brought my umbrella. So that's what it's about. And so I think we can go down and go, we're gonna go up to that, area over there now, and I'll show you guys, okay? The property were utilized by the government. You can see all the satellite antennas, and all the way up there, there's more antennas. And over here, a really big radar station that was previously used. It's probably being used by the military right now. So that's what they're doing with that. Now we're gonna walk up into here and go into the main building like I told you guys we're gonna go to. We're gonna take a little walk through here and check it out. Everybody's looking at me like, who is this guy? You know? So we'll go into the main building and pull this umbrella down. Okay, a lot of people here today, which is amazing. So it's like everybody's waiting in line at the PCSO or something. So anyway, surrounded by a lot of people. I think it's maybe because we're in the middle of a bunch of clouds or something. So anyway, I'm gonna go out here in the rain so I can get away from the crowd and explain what I need to explain to you guys. Okay? So, can y'all see that? This is the one of the roads going to one of the exclusive subdivisions down there. This is all new. I don't know what altitude this is, but it's pretty nice, don't y'all think? If it wasn't for the rain, it would be even better. Okay, we were just over there. You see that? Statue? That's where we were just at. So, anyway, let me explain to you a couple of things. Okay, so now it's raining hard, and now we're gonna go test this GoPro to see if it's really waterproof, right? So anyway, the story about this place, it was eventually given to the people, the property and everything. So they made it like government, you know what I mean? And that's where it got the name, hence People's Park, okay? Or Park of the People. I'm gonna have to get out of here. It's getting really bad. So that's why it's called People's Park, because what they did was they gave it to the people. And now it's public property, not private property anymore. So what they did is they seized it because of ill-gotten gains, and they ended up, you know, it's now public property. You know what I mean? So that's the story, backstory. They had a couple more properties in the Philippines, and those were also seized, the ones that they knew of. So, okay, this president happened to have properties all over the world, and he had money all over the world too. I was getting word that they got a bunch of the Japanese gold from World War II, and a lot of it was melted, divided. You couldn't even recognize it anymore, and a lot of it was stored in Switzerland or something like that. So we're talking about today's value, possibly trillions of dollars. So it's more money than probably the whole population of the Philippines could spend in like years, you know what I mean? That's how much they got a hold of. So that's the story with that. That's the backstory. Okay. So anyway, now we're gonna go to the castle, and I hope. Literally walking in the rain right now. Can you see? It's kind of fun anyway. It's got a lot of the air is cooler, the water is cool, and I'm about to get ran over by a Jeep. Holy crap. Anyway, that's loud. So we're gonna go back to the car, and we're gonna go check out that castle and see what it's all about. I heard they're gonna reopen it, but I'm not sure when, and I'm not sure if they're gonna continue to do that. But you know, the thing about the rain, I'm not scared of getting wet, but I got an umbrella anyway, so it's cool. I swear I'm gonna get hit by a lightning bolt. I know it. Everybody's like hiding in the embankment over there. Do you see them? They're like, oh my God, I don't want to come out. So that's cool. But hey, you know, nothing wrong with nothing wrong with being in the rain, right? So I'm in the middle of the rain just for you guys, you know? Oh my God, this is a lot of fun. So everybody was talking about, oh, I want to walk in the rain. Being in the rain is fun. But boy, do you see anybody on the rain when it's raining? Nah. Sure thinks I'm crazy, like, oh my God, that guy's just walking in the middle of the frickin' rainstorm. But the good thing about this is, number one, you could literally die at any moment. Number two, it's like, it's peaceful because I'm the only one out here. It's like, hey, what's up? But I'm waiting for a stupid thing to hit a tree and explode and blow my eardrums out. Oh, shit. I picked a fine time to be walking in this shit too, right? And I got a frickin' umbrella. I think I'm gonna go over there in that area right there and just hide out for a little bit. Yeah, we'll check it out. Damn, my frickin' underwear is wet. Look at that. Jesus Christ, it's soaked. It's just like, oh my God. I am literally soaked, guys. My goodness. GoProing in the middle of the frickin' rain. With an umbrella only. You believe that? Jesus Christ. That's okay. I think I'm gonna chill out over here. Goodness. Woo! What's up? Alright. I'm safe now. So we'll wait a little bit. I think it's, you really want to know, I walked from way up there, all the way down to here. In the middle of a torrential turn. I'm crazy, no? And now my Baguio beans are soaked. Look at that. Good Lord. It's okay. Trouble getting up this hill right here because it's slick and the water is going down and it's deep. Wow, that's a lot. So anyway, guys, I'm going to the Tagaytay area and I think this is where the if I can remember where the castle is, and we're gonna see if we can catch it in between these rainstorms, hopefully. I got my car geared down really low so I don't have to use my brakes. So then we gotta get something to eat because it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I haven't eaten anything yet. So we're gonna get something cheap and good, like what I like. See, when you're on a road trip, you eat as cheap as you can so that way you can save your money for the good stuff that you run into, you know what I mean? So that's why. Rain, go away.
Go away.
Pares.
Pares, tomay, sopaw. Tomay, sopaw.
Walang sopa, ayaw ka na.
Ay, sopaw. Mami.
Anong?
Mami. Beef.
Pares.
Yes, beef.
Oh, dalawang order.
Take out?
Yeah.
Kakainin daw. Take out.
Ano ka ba?
Kakainin.
Dalawang order, baby.
Order.
Dalawang order, isang kalahating kanin.
Dalawang pares.
Oo. Naku, wala akong barya. Ha?
Buko.
Wala akong barya. Oh, meron ako. Magkano lahat sa amin kasamang inumin?
Anong inumin nyo, sir? Mineral?
Oh, pwede. Pwede lagyan dalawang order sa isang bowl. Oh, okay.